In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank account in Xero. Before we begin, a quick note on what deletion means. Removing a bank account from your chart of accounts is permanent for that specific record. You'll no longer see it in your list, and you can't post new transactions to it. Xero only allows deletion if the account has no transactions and isn't in use anywhere else. So, if the delete option isn't available, that usually means the account has activity or is linked to something like a report layout or a repeating transaction. In that case, consider archiving the account instead or talk with your advisor. Also, it's a good idea to export any relevant reports for your records before you proceed. Let's get started. From your Xero dashboard, go to the main menu and select Accounting. This opens up the core accounting tools where your organization's accounts are managed. Next, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the complete list of accounts used to categorize money in and out of your business, including any bank accounts that were set up as part of your bookkeeping. On the Chart of Accounts page, find the bank account you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, use the search bar to type the account name or code, or filter by account type to narrow it down to bank. Take a moment to double check you've got the right one. Look at the account name, the code, and if visible, the balance or any notes. If there's a balance or historical activity, you may not be able to delete it. When you're confident you found the correct account, click the checkbox next to it. Make sure only that one account is selected so you don't remove something unintentionally. With the account selected, click Delete. If you don't see a delete button, or if it's grayed out, that indicates Xero has detected something that prevents deletion. You might need to clear associations or choose to archive instead, depending on your situation. If delete is available, a confirmation prompt will appear. Read the confirmation message carefully. This is your last chance to review your choice. If everything looks right and you're sure you want to proceed, click OK to confirm. Xero will process the request and remove the account from your chart of accounts. If you need a similar account later, you can always create a new one with a fresh code. That's it. You've deleted a bank account in Xero safely and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and remember to double check selections and keep backups of any reports you might need down the line.